Hey folks, after spending a full weekend at Hamvention in Xenia, Ohio, I wasn't quite ready to head home, so I pointed the truck towards Houston Woods State Park. I set up camp and I started a Parks on the Air activation. While I was there making contacts, I had the perfect opportunity to put a piece of gear to the test that has generated quite a bit of interest in the CW community: the Modern Morse Nameless Key. In this video, I'm going to share my hands-on experience using the Nameless Key during an actual Parks on the Air activation. I'm going to talk about its build quality, its portability, its on-air performance, and I'm going to answer the big question: is it worth adding to your field kit? Let's get set up and take a closer look. This bad boy, I picked up this bad boy at Hamvention. This is the Modern Morse Key. And why did I grab this? Why, I got a Bamatech TP2 and it's amazing, so why did I get this key? The TP2 is more of a static key for the shack, all right? It's got a weight on it. When you set it down, it got squirrely on whatever surface I was on. It was cold to touch when it was wintertime, and I didn't like that one bit. This guy is smaller, fits in the palm of your hand. It's got some grips. I don't think it's going to be as cold in the wintertime to hold on to. We'll see about that. And I really like it. It's got the same action as the TP2 as far as responsiveness. It's got a very sharp response on it, which I need. I was at Hamvention trying all these Morse keys out. The 3D printed keys, it was just like mush in my hands. It's because I learned on the Bamatech key. And it's like you learn on quality keys, you can't really go back. So you either stick with what you got, or you get another quality key. This little guy is going to go with me on POTA activations. It's going to be good to go lightweight backpacking with, or camping. It's going to be a lot easier to stow this in my go bag. So yeah, I'm super stoked. I love this key. I'm getting used to it, and but all is good. I'm going to use a lot more of this, and I'm excited to keep going, doing those Parks on the Air activations. Thank you guys. 7-3. Well, I think that settles that discussion. This is WQ0A telling you to get outside and play radio. 7-3.